Good morning. This is Chef Dookee here from Liverpool, and today is Easter Sunday, so we're about to make our special recipe, an authentic Filipino skinless Langonisa, of course from the country Philippines. So this is one of my favorite recipe back home, and I would like to share with you how to cook it, how to make it with ingredients picked by myself, and just show you how easy is it to make your own skinless Langonisa. And believe me, it's really tastes good. So come on, I'll show you. All right, guys, here's our ingredients. I have 500 grams of minced pork, but I add on some 250 grams of minced beef as well. It will bring a bit of extra tasty on your Langonisa. And we have salt and pepper. And always put salt and pepper as a basic spices on it. And we have the brown sugar. We have the fresh chopped garlic. And for this recipe, we're not gonna use the fresh chili. Instead, we're gonna use the crushed chili flakes. We're also gonna use some paprika powder and a bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Well, this is only an option because I would love my Langonisa to be chili, super hot, and garlic oil. I put them into. So let's start. All right, the first step is mix all of them. Fresh garlic. Make sure to wash your hands as well. Sugar. Lots of pepper. Lots of Himalayan pink salt. And paprika powder. Olive oil. I put some chili. And mix them all together. Alright guys, in order to mold this one, looks like a sausage, but remember it doesn't have any skin on it, so we're gonna use the non-stick baking paper and a little bit of magic with a spatula. So this is our non-stick. Just grab a spoon, full of our mixture, and just fold it, and then use this one to press it like that. So the size and the how long is it, it's gonna be yours to decide. Yeah. guys, we're done making this one. We only made a couple, and we're gonna put it on a freezer or in a fridge. That would be fine. And later on, we're gonna fry it, so it's gonna be nice. Well, at least give it 30 minutes or an hour to be in the freezer or fridge, and then you can cook it. But make sure to cook rice, because so we're about to cook the skinless langonisa, and we put the skillet with a bit of oil on it. What we're showing here is how we cook our skinless langonisa. This is what we after when this is starting to burn a bit. That's the sugar, the caramel of sugar. So that's done for us. So this is the another secret. We get the oil, a little bit oil in it, and we put our rice in.
Now that bowl gets the caramelized sugar. We need to put that one on our rice. Black pepper. A little bit of pesto.
So this rice now is a bit sweet, salty, peppery fried rice with garlicky on it. So this is the finished product, skinless langonisa. So it's gonna be served with fried rice, veg for sidings, and a couple of sunny-side up eggs. So enjoy your meal. Hi guys, so here it is, our finished product, and we're about to put this one in a fridge. Take it like a 30 minutes to an hour, and then afterwards you could cook it, fry it, put a little water on it, and then later on let the water absorb and a bit of oil, and you enjoy it. But make sure to have a rice on your side, because these bad boys is really good with rice. So until the next vlog, please subscribe, make a comment, or you have any questions, whatever it is, make sure to press that like button. Until the next one, I have to hurry out because it's a Liverpool game against Cardiff. So bye, ta-ra, bye. You put a little bit of water in it.